So thinking in preemptive mode, we're going to have a high card point like boundary, 4 to 9 high card points, but it's not about your points. Like opening bids, we have to count up our points and we have 13 plus total points. For preemptive bidding, we're going to be thinking in tricks and not in points. So at the different levels, right? If you're considering preempting at the 2 level, you're promising partner approximately 5 tricks. And the key word there is approximately, because that's going to depend on your seat position, your vulnerability, and again, how well your partner takes a joke. If you're considering a 3-level bid, then partner is going to take you for approximately 6 tricks. And again, it may be 5.5 tricks, it may be 6.5 tricks, it may be 6 tricks, somewhere in the approximately 6 trick area. And then if you're considering a preempt at the 4 level, again, it's not points, it's tricks, and you are promising partner approximately 7 tricks. And the reason I want you to focus on the tricks is your partner is going to be the responder, right? They're going to be advancing your preempt, and they're going to be advancing the preempt based on tricks and trump. So, which is in our, how to respond to preempts class. So they're thinking tricks and trump. So as the opening preemptor, we have to be thinking tricks and trump as well. Okay. So 5 tricks approximately for 2-level preempts, 6 tricks approximately for 3-level preempts, and 7 tricks approximately for 4-level preempts. And we're going to practice counting tricks as well. I've got a lot of examples so that we can understand, what am I talking about tricks? What does that mean?